Today we are going to see about the first aid. If is someone injured or wounded, we need to help them before the doctor arrived. That is the first aid. Maybe like car accidents, fell down, climbing the mountains, anything bad that happened, we will get the help from anyone before reach the hospital. That is the first aids. Whenever someone get injured or maybe our neighbors, friends, relations, if we are really to give the first aids to them, first we should follow the rules before giving the first aids. Whenever we give to first aids to anyone, first stay calm. Don't shout and don't panic, because anyway we are going to give the first aid. So that place we have to stay calm and don't shout and don't panic also. Second one, find out the injury. We have to find out the which type of injury and its causes. If it's severe, must we have to call the ambulance to go the hospital. First we should do one thing, find out the which type of injury. We have to find out the type of injury and its cause. If it is very severe, we must have to call the ambulance to go the hospital. Then another one thing, be quick. We have to first aid immediately and very quick. If we are not care the injured persons, they will hurt more and more. Then bloods also will flow outside. So be quick. Then another one is the wash hands. When we give the first aids to anyone, first we should wash our hand properly, because if you give the first aids without wash the hand, our hands have the minute virus and bacteria. It will affect more the wounded person. So must we should wash our hand. Another one is the send for a doctor. Injured person got minor accidents, we can give the first aids. But if it's not stop the blood flowing, must we should call the doctor and we should carry the injured persons to the hospital. It's very important to have first aid kit in our home, so you can deal with minor accidents and injuries. Some of the persons have the first aid kits in their car also, so they can deal with minor accidents also. First we should know one thing, what are the first aid box contain. First aid box contain more things. What we have to keep inside the first aid box? First one is the Dettol. This Dettol. First it's the Dettol. Why do we use this Dettol? This is the Dettol. Dettol is the antiseptic liquid. When we apply on the injured or wounded areas, it removes germs from the skin. It helps protect against infections from scratches, insect bites and cuts also. Next one is the cotton. This is the cotton. We can use this cotton for cleaning purpose. Cotton pads are used to stop bleeding from minor accidents. Then another one is a pair of scissors. This pair of scissors, every first aid kit needs a pair of scissors. Scissors can be used to cut bandages, remove dressings. Then band-aids. Whenever our fingers hurt with small objects, if our fingers are hurt with a small object, this band-aids protect from bacteria, damage and dirt particles. Then another one, a crepe bandage. This is the crepe bandage. It is used to secure dressing in place. It's control the bleeding while put the bandage. It helps to keep straight position from the bone fractures. Then antiseptic cream and iodine solutions. This both, it is heals wounds, protect against infection and can be used to treat cut and minor burns, insect bites, spots. So we have to keep these all things we have to keep inside our first aid box. Then nosebleeds. Which first aid we have to give? If someone is having the nosebleed, there are simple first aid steps you can take to treat them. First thing, do not panic, sit upright position. Like this, you have to sit upright position and hold your nose tightly with your fingers. Like this, you have to tight with your fingers. Keep it closed for 5 to 10 minutes. This treatment you have to, this first aid you have to give 5 to 10 minutes. This first aid is stopped from flowing blood. At the same time, you have to breathe through the mouth. You don't breathe through your nose. At the same time, you have to breathe with your mouth. Then you have to bend forward. This is the first aid for the nosebleeds. Next, let's know about burns. If we touch any hot objects, we will get burns. If we get minor burns, hold the burn part under the running water for 5 to 10 minutes. If you get the severe burns, we have to immediately go to the hospital. Then another one, fractures. A break or crack in a bone is called a fracture. A break or crack in a bone is called a fracture. If the fracture is in the hand, a cloth sling can be used to prevent movement. This cloth sling we have to use. Then victim must be have to taken to the hospital immediately. Then let's know about the animal bites. Let's know the insect bite. Whenever we hurt and we get the small red mark caused by the bite of insects. Use cold water and ice. It helps to reduce pain and swelling. Next one is the dog bite. Like this is the dog bite. Place the running water for at least 15 minutes. Wash the area with detergent soap and we have to apply the antiseptic lotions, and we must consult your doctor for anti-rabies vaccines. Then another one is the snake bite. Let's know about the snake bite. Whenever we get a snake bite, we have to first here, if we get here, we have to tie this cloths. Tightly we have to tie, and from here to here we have to tie, and immediately we have to take the victim persons to the hospital. So these all are the important things we have to do for first aid. Thank you. Next class we will meet.